Hello, Miss Lahart, coming at you for a very quick video because we have a short class today. Today I decided that you need to remember what the distribution property is because we need to use that tomorrow. So you've seen this before. So just make sure, or Cindy and Fran, or Miss McMahon and Miss Bieber, make sure everybody has their packet out to page 3, has a writing utensil, and that's all they need for this lesson. No, they do need their graphing calculator. Okay? Packet, pencil, or pen on graphing calculator. Pause me if you need to get any of those things for any of the children. Okay, here we go. Guys, we've done the distribution property anymore. It's distributing with multiplication. Whenever you have something outside of a parenthesis, you have to distribute it in there by multiplying. So let's remind ourselves how to do it. So remember, for this first example, we have to take 6 times 2x. Now, you can't really do anything with the x, okay? But you can do 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12. So now you just attach an x with it. So 6 times 2x is 12x. Please do not overcomplicate that. And then we're going to take 6 times positive 8. And in your calculator, you could do just 6 times 8, guys. Just do 6 times 8. Don't make it any difficult than it has to be. But it's a positive number, so you have to put a plus 48. For each of these, you're going to end up with 2 terms, and they're going to have a sign between them. I don't know why I'm yelling. So that final answer is 12x plus 48. Questions, comments, concerns? If there are any, please pause the video and answer the best that you can. Next one. Ooh, what happens if there's no number in front of a letter? So we have negative 10 times A. Well, everybody, there's a 1, right? Hopefully you knew that. Hopefully you knew that was happening. So in your calculator, you can do negative 10 times 1. Anything multiplied by itself, it's itself. So that would first term becomes negative 10a. Remember, you still have to attach the a with it. The variable goes with the sign. You do the multiplication of the numbers, and then you bring down the variable. Then we're going to do negative 10 times positive 3. Negative 10 times 3 in your calculator. Well, it's going to give you a negative 30. So therefore, you write minus 30. Final answer. Do you all remember doing this before? Are there questions, comments, or concerns? If there are, pause the video, answer to the best of your ability. Last example we're going to do together. What happens if there's just a negative in front? Ready, everybody? Shout out what number's there, but not there. 3, 2, 1. 1. Did anybody shout 1, or is it just me? Right, so it's a negative 1. So take negative 1 times 2. Negative 1 times 2 is a negative 2, and attach the x with it. So negative 2x. Then we have to do negative 1 times 4. Negative 1 times 4 will get you a negative 4. Final answer. All right, then we're going to do 2 u-tries. So everybody, pause the video right now and have the students try these 2 examples. So pause the video. 3, 2, 1. All right, we're back at it. Did the student correctly have 7 times negative 3v is negative 21v? And then 7 times 1 is 7, so that would be negative 21v plus 7. Great. If there's any questions or comments or issues, pause the video and answer them to the best of your ability. And then for 5, do they have negative 6 times 10, which is negative 60v? And then negative 6 times positive 5 is negative 30. Okay? Other than that, that's the lesson. Go ahead, hand out the classwork. You guys have 6 to do. You should do them in like 2 seconds. Hand it in when you're done. Miss Hart will see you tomorrow. Peace out.